Today we're going to talk about ordering plus Zapier integration, a system that will help you a lot in your automation for the ordering software. This is Zapier. I attached some guides in the description of this video, so you can take a look at all of them. I will log in with my account here. You should get yours. There are some limited ones, so be sure to select the correct one for your business. There are some businesses that require more tasks or more SAPs or anything, so be sure to have yours. You can start with the free one to test it. That's all already there. You have 100 tasks and 5 SAPs, so that'll work for some, like for starters. As you move forward, you will you will upgrade the package and create some more amazing things and everything. Let me jump into the knowledge so we can follow it up. And if you need to take a look after it, we can you can see it in our articles. So oh no, this is the references, this is API information. We don't want to discuss this now. Let's just go back into our docs. Zapier. This is the one. Okay, let's start fresh. When you are starting using Zapier, it's important to use one of these links. I would recommend you to use the second one because it's the newest. The first one also works, but there are some companies that are already using the last one. So if you're starting with this, I would recommend you to start with this one. When you click on this link, you will get invite to start using ordering plus Zapier integration. So that's the way to start, right? Once you have your account and your installation of ordering, you click on that link, then accept this invite, and then you can start building your Zapier, your SAPs, right? Let me open the article again because it jumped into the SAP. I clicked those two links. Yeah, use the second one, Ashar, because you're starting. So start with the second one, the newest one. Zapier, new account here. Okay, we did that. We can start with a trigger right now. So let's jump into what should we do now? Let's say a new order. The triggers are the things that when these are done in the ordering platform, will do whatever we trigger it to. For example, if there's a new order, send me an email or call me over the phone or send me an SMS. A lot of things that we can create here, but that is the main point of the triggers, right? Right now we are going to use new order. Let's click continue. Let's sign in into our platform. Okay. API version is 400 always. Language is according to your platform language. The project is in your builder. Here, let me show you. For example, this is my builder. Everyone has their own builder access. And at the top left, let me log in. I'm joining here. Okay, so this is how your builder looks. I mean, in this account I have a few projects, but the one you should put is the one that is at the top left of your installation, right? In this situation, we're going to use Mauricio Demo V4, right? That is the one we're using. Let me just close this. Okay, here's a window, project, and then we have to create an API key. This API key will be created. I will show you here in the article how to get it. You get in your ordering website as an administrator. administrator, then you click my account, API keys, add a new one, copy this one, click it. Where's my, okay, here it is. That key will link your Zapier account with your ordering account, okay? That's basically is basic. If this has to be done in order to everything to make everything work right. Just and continue. Zapier will do some integration here. Okay, we have the hook, copy it, continue. I have to set up the hook where. Let me show you also. That is set, choose account. The hook is going to go in the administration view of Zapier. Where is this? This is an admin area. We click more. We click webhooks here. And we click here, URL. What is a hook? A new order is a hook, right? We add this. Now we have to get back into Zapier, test it. We can find any information. Oh, we have to create one order because this is when there's a new order made to trigger it, right? Allow this. Let me put any address. Let's create an order so we can trigger the information in Zapier. Cheeseburger. This. Checkout. Okay. Cash. Da-da-da. Place order. Zapier. Okay. Test the trigger. We have one order because we just created there. We set this as done. And now we can create the what is going to do this trigger. So right now, let's just send me a Slack message or something like that, right? If you don't use Slack, you can send a message to your WhatsApp or wherever you want. I will send a direct message to me. This is my Slack. Slack is a chat tool for businesses. I will put my name here because it's going to go to me. There are some fields that you can set up here, so you can work with that. And here we can put, hey, you got a new order. Take a look and deliver it. Happy face, or this one, and then you can add some fields that are in the order, right? For example, we have to know what would it be, the products. This is when I have just one business, right? So I can work with this. Then let's go into what are the pay method. Let's look also for we have a lot of status here, so we can work with those. The address, and we can put here something like the customer order this, paid with that, and you have to deliver here. So it is taking variables, right? Everything good so far? Now this is set. It will be sent as a bot. Include this. These are some fields that we have to. Each app has different fields here to set up, so we have to give it a quick look to know if you will need to change something here. Okay, continue this. Then let's test it out. Here, as you can see, I got my push notification from my bot, and here in my Slack, I will see the message that I just created. Hey, you got a new order, paid with cash. You have to deliver Fifth Avenue. The customer order a cheeseburger. So you can create a lot of ways to improve your business, right? This was a test. Let's just create a new order and see how it works. Uh, let's just create a new order. Find business. Fifth Avenue here. Accept it. Food. Just create one order. Any business. Right now, the system, the hook is on all the platform, right? If you want it to be set on a specific businesses, I will show you how. Just let me finish this order. Check out, cash, place order. So now, you see, here I got the notification of the new order that we just got. I will be getting chats every time there is a new order because Zapier is telling me so too. Now, if I want this to be set for specific stores, I have to get in the store, in the specific store, click webhooks, and according to the trigger, add the hook here, just like we did in the super admin account. Do it here for specific stores, right? That is basically the way to integrate Zapier into your administrator dashboard and into each of the stores. So in order to know what it's already capable with the Zapier integration, we have to take a look at this, right? Right now, what we can do with the Zapier integration is check what is the trigger something when there's an update of a status of any order, when there's an update of driver, when there's a new order, a new user, a pickup completed, an accepted by driver order, an order pending, well, failed and rejected, and so on. If there's no trigger here for something that you want to make, for example, right now, this will be a trigger, but you also can add an action. I will show you how. Well, let me go back in the last one we created, which is this one. Here, if we add one more time ordering, we have different actions, right? So for example, here, if there's a new, let's say for example, if you have a Typeform or a form somewhere, you can tell the Zapier, the integration, to create a business owner, for example. Let's try it out. Because you can either ordering can be the trigger or take an action, right? Can you show us how to use a filter? Yeah, I can show you. It'll be in this example actually. Let's go into or get help. It is also in the description, so you can take a look. Zapier, create business owner. See, here it is. Let me just open it. Create business owner. This is one. First, we need a Typeform account. This is a Typeform account. This is a Typeform example, but you can use all the apps that Zapier has, which are a lot. Let me see if I can find them easily here. Those are over 2,000, I think, by now. Well, there are a lot of triggers here, but explore. You have a lot of things to do here. Imagine over 2,000 apps, so you can create a lot of things such as the ones that are here. And ordering is already working here with all of them, so you don't have to worry. I'm sure there is a solution here for you to work your business with. Let's see. let's create a business owner. You can create drivers or anything, but for now, let's take this as an example. We need a Typeform account. Let's just create one. Somebody's going eating. Let's accept all these. Log in. Let me see if I can find here my Typeform account because I already have one. This will be the one. Let me try it this way. Okay, here we have. Let's just delete this one. Delete it. So we can create a new one. Oh, Typeform. Let me reach it. What is this? What is this? Create two Typeforms. Okay, let's just remove this one also. To confirm, enter test. Let's just delete this one. Okay, we are going to create a new Typeform, right? As we can see in the tutorials, we have to create the Typeform with some fields, which are name, last name, email, password, and mobile phone, right? Let's go for it. Why like that? Because the ordering platform requires information to create business owners, and is those are the fields that we need in order to create a business owner using a Typeform, right? So let's just create one from scratch. Okay, this is going to be create business owner. Oh, I missed one S. Zapier integration class, something like that. Okay, this will be what could it be? What will be other, just like that. Creation. What is it for? For recruiting. We need some more businesses here. So now let's go into. You can add a welcome screen. Let's just put hi, new business owner. And then I think we can add a description somewhere here. A description here, and we said something like create your account and start today. Start selling today. I don't know, whatever you want. Now we need a name. Oh, we need a short text, and this will be the name. Oh, name. This will be required, right? Then we need another one that is last name, I think. Let me see. Last name. I can just duplicate this one and put a new thing. Last name. You can play with all these, right? You can put something more creative than I'm just doing right now. Then we need an email. There are some things that Typeform has already done here, so I recommend you to use those so you can save some time. Okay, what your business owner email, like that. Then we have a password, which is a single short text also. Uh, password, oh, password, like this. Then we have mobile phone. Then we click here, we click phone. It says mobile phone number. Here's share us your phone, like that. And we create the Typeform. That easy. What do we do? Publish this, change published. You can see the form I just created by copying and pasting this Typeform. That's it. This is the Typeform that we just created, right? Now let's connect it with the Stripe and make it create a business owner on our ordering account. We have, where is it? Here's. Let's click and make a SAP, the new SAP that we're just creating. What apps in Zapier that you suggest to use? Ashar, I would recommend you to use the ones that you're already using, which is the Google Sheets, in order to have some more information in a Excel kind of view. What other? I recommend you to use a SAP to send an SMS to your business owners, just to have another way of looking for the orders. Which other? Mm, for now, I think Typeform is already a very good way to get some more information, like right now, for creating your business owners. And there are a lot of integration that you can create. So let's continue creating the Typeform one. Typeform. Whenever there's a new entry, let me name this. It's very important to name everything. Typeform uh, plus ordering plus Zapier create business owner. Okay, this is the name of my SAP. Now we're going to use the new account, which is this one. Since I'm already logged in, it'll just grab my account, the Typeform account. Continue this. Let's put this is the form that we need. Continue. It'll test it. We have to create a test form submission. Oh, ordering.co. Okay. Now want to make whatever here. A phone. I am in Mexico. Okay, this is my phone. Why? What do you mean? What do you mean? 33. Am I missing something? Like 2? No, 2. No. What? Mexico, it's 15. I will just put any number. I don't know what's happening with this validation. You know what? Let me just make it here. Create something is not working well with Typeform. Okay, this is 52. Then should I put like this? That is my phone. Oh yeah, okay. I just had to write it that way. So once that is set, we should get a test here. Let's see. Okay, we get an example, entry A. If we put load more, we got the entry V, which is the one that I just created. Now we jump into ordering, right? Oh, about the filters. Take a look. Filter only allow the process when certain condition is met, right? For example, let's see what we have here. Filter setup and testing. Only continue if, what do we have here? The submission date, let's say what can we create for this? If the business, no, let's try it, something else. If the submission date, it's greater than, now you were restricted out, we'll test the condition. Okay, continue. If it is created from today beyond, it'll jump into the next action, right? Okay, Fernando, have a great day. Yes, be sure to take a look at this video. I saw the documentation. Jens had another question. Let's try it out. Oh, Ashar, for customer service, what apps do you suggest? For customer service, I would recommend you the ones that send information to your support agents to inform them about the new tickets, live chat. something like that. Whenever there's a new order or an issue with an order or something, Ashar. Jens, I saw in the documentation that you also mentioned the import of products as an example. Can you show how it works? Yeah, I will explain really quickly. Um, and Fernando, you had to leave. Okay, don't worry about it. See you next time. Uh, let's continue. It will continue if this is the filter, right, Ashar? So now it will create a business owner in my ordering account. Create users. This will create, oh, using this ordering account. And then it will create the information of this Typeform, which is name. It'll be the name. Here is the name. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm hearing something in my headphones here. Let me see. Can you hear me well? I can find another uh, headphones. Let me know if you can hear me well. Please in the chat. Can you hear me well, everyone? Turn on speakers. I can hear you. What about everyone? Please let me know. If there's something, I will get back in the chat. So now we have a last name. Let's go for the options here. Last name. Okay, we have that. The email. We have to grab the email of the submission form. Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sahari. If I mention any name wrong, I'm sorry. Sorry. Please teach me how to say it right. We have set a password here. Now birthday is not needed. Cell phone, we have the phone in the form. We have the field in the form, sorry, and here we set up the level. Right now we are creating a business owner, right? But if you want to create a customer or a driver, you can also do it here. Drop down menu. Let me see if I'm missing something according to the article here. No. Ordering, create a user. We fill all the fields here. Oh, you know what? I remember. If the email it's already in your platform, it won't work. And since I already have this email in my password, it won't work. But as a test, I will send this email. Okay, so you take that in mind. I think that's it. Okay, continue. Test and continue. The data is sent to my account. Users, business owners. This is the one I just created using the Typeform. Also, as super admin, I have to assign an store for this new business owner. I will just put this one. Business owner is the test one. Now, if I log out and log in with the business owner I just created, I should have the business assigned it to me, right? Amazing, right? You can work a lot with all the possible interactions with Zapier. Now let's jump into your questions. The Francis, you never told me what do you mean. For customer service is the ones that I mentioned, Ashar. anything that will help your support team to know what's going on with the clients, you should add it. Zapier has a lot of apps that you can use for that. Make sure to give it a try. Let me jump into the library that they have. Here is, you can do a lot of things here, you know. Import products. Import products. So for that, let me check out the article here. Zapier. What do we have here? Import products. Import products. Export orders. Yeah. Let me look for import products. User API. Type products. Manage your products. Feature. What did you saw, Jens? So we can be in the same channel. Please let me know. Like maybe the link so I can take a look. Fernando left. Sasha Ruland. How can we create a loyalty program that awards point or grades for loyal customers? Create a loyalty program for something like that. We have something loyalty program. We currently don't have something such as like give credits in using the ordering platform and stuff. But what we have is a reviews module that you can use to know how the business are performing. To create something like that, Sasha, it will require either an integration with some other platform. Let me see what we have in Zapier for loyalty. Loyalty loop. Marketing automation, how business. But no, this won't work like I think you require to. We will have to create something, some information with a loyalty system that you have, you know. I suggest you to create to us a pull request in order to give us some more information about how do you need this to work and everything, so we can help you better, so we don't have any misunderstandings in the future. This is the link to submit a quote, Sasha. Can I tag you, Sasha? Yeah. Here's the form. Please send it to me and to us, sorry, and we'll take a look. We also had a question before about, oh, be sure to allow this, okay? To get informed about the news and everything on ordering site. I mean, for clients of each store. Yeah, it's the same, Sasha. Something like giving credit to your customers. We currently don't have something like that. I mean, to your customer, to the final user. We currently don't have something like that. We can work it out for you for sure. That's no problem. There was a question about Dashboard. Let me look for it. Sap Dashboard. I think this was the one you were talking about. Oh, didn't open. Dashboard. Okay, it's opening. Oh, you want to see something like this? Who asked that? Ashar. So to connect this is just the same process, right? You create the trigger, which is what you want to see after, for example, right now the example is an order status. So whenever there's an order status, send information to my dashboard. you can see here all the examples of how it works, and you can play with them. Here's what you can get: orders completed, sales in USD, more stuff as you get orders in your ordering platform, right? You can see something like this at the end of the day, which will be very good. So you can start growing the business according to statistics. Also, we have another tutorial here in video. At the bottom of the screenshot is create product and update product. At the bottom of the screenshot, let me see, Jens, let me look for it. Or did you send a screenshot? I don't know. I think I know what you mean. Let me see. Update. What do we have here? Update. Create product, update product. I think it is when is the action. Let me see, where is this app that I just created? Create business owner. Do I have it somewhere here? Nope, this is not the one. 5,000. Oh, okay, huge. You deleted that message. Please send it back to me so I can take a look. Take the link. What link? Please send it to me. Jens. Wait. Okay, this is the one that we just created. Let me take a look. Back. Okay, this is a multi-steps app. It requires a higher package. But let me see. Typeform. New entry. Continue. This account. Continue. From anything here, just put this one. I want to try something which I think I understand you, Jens. Skip tests. Okay, I know it works. Ordering. Update order. Create business. Create product. And update product. These are the ones, Jens, I think. Yeah, so imagine you have a Typeform or you have a Google Sheet where you let's try it out right now so I can solve that. Sheet new. This is one. Oh. Let me just log in. I think this is one. No. Yeah, I just need to verify this. Yes, Jens, let me help you with that. So I have a notification in my phone apparently somewhere. Waiting. Yes, you should log in now. Yeah, we're in. So let's see. Sorry about that. So what fields do we get here? If we click in create product, we have to see which are the fields that we require in order to create a product or update or anything, right? So we need the business ID, category ID, name, price, and that's it. So for that we create the spreadsheet like that. It'll be business ID, category ID, I think, category, name, and price. Category, name, price, right? So we have that. We have this. So now let's take a look. We have to change this for Sheets. Google Sheets. Now New or updated spreadsheet row. Let's use my Google Sheet account. Okay, this is allowed. It's in Spanish. I'm in Mexico. Continue. Now we're going to use the. Let me name this because I have a lot of Zapier plus Zapier create product. Okay, like that, so we can identify easier Zapier. Let me reload this. Okay. What do I think about Twilio, Ashar? It's very good tool to get informed with via SMS or calls. Sapir, here is. So now, worksheet, the one that we have, trigger when there's any column. Okay. Find data. Okay. Let's try business ID. I have to gather one business ID, which I can see my ID of my business IDs in the dashboard. Here, my stores. Here is a tree. Yeah, let's try with the tree. Tree category. Let's just put. What would it be? Let me see what it says here in Zapier. Couldn't find test trigger. Create a new spread row in your Google Sheet account test to trigger again. Okay, let's just move this here and let's just create something else here. This is just a test, so category same for I don't know test 2 5. Let's see if we get a trigger here. Yeah, we found something, Jens. You'll have to do some testing so we can get everything done correctly. So in ordering, when this is filled, it will create a product. Okay, so it is already connected to my account. Continue. Now the business ID where this product will get launched to is the 3, the number 3, which is business ID. Here's the one. Okay, on which category? 1 2 3 4. Let's try 4. Okay, the name is test 2. The price is 5. Feature, no, we can select if the product is featured just by that. If not, this should be enabled. Yeah, true, for it to be showing active. Continue. Let's send a test. Okay, the category is invalid. I have to take a look at the categories. The IDs of the categories. Let me see in here if we have, or maybe someone team here knows. 1 second. Category ID. Let me look for it. Categorizing products. Zapier. Create product. We have a lot of things here. I don't remember what will be the category. I think if we put, for example, beer. Let me see. Let me try it. Because it says 1 2 3 here, but let me try it out. Continue. Yeah. So it'll go in the name of the category, right, Jens? Test and continue. Oh no, it's still the same. What will be a category ID? I have to find it out. Let's try just. I don't know what it will be. What if I go here? Can I see category IDs? So this is products this is categories, but I don't get the category ID. I need that category ID. Products ID. Let me see if I can find it by inspect. I'll make sure to make this easier for you guys, but in order to complete the test, where is a category ID? ID 1? Category rank 2? Oh, 11. I think I found it. I think it's 11. Let's try it out. 11. Continue. Send a test. Yeah, it was 11. So I will make this easier. I will add some information in the article so you can work with that. And now the test is sent. Let's take a look at our dashboard. The new product should be created now. It's a beer and it's a test too. So gents, this is the way to create products. Or let's see if we update. I don't know if I can activate this one. Okay, so now I've activated this app. If I change the price on this product, Sapir will do some digging. I know, gents. We just make this live. Zapier should look at the change in the sheet, and let's see if we can see the price change. Here. Not yet. It should take it takes a few minutes according to grab more information, you know. So it will change the price eventually. Yeah, I'm with you, gents. I try to make this easier. That easier, for sure. Actually, you know what? Let me just try to create that. This will be category. This is 11, new product. Oh, new product. Price 10. And let's see. I don't remember how long it takes. Maybe a few minutes or something. Yeah, it'll do the work, but it requires Zapier to perform some actions, you know. What do you think about Twilio? I answered that already, Ashar. So, what do you think so far? This is how to integrate Zapier and create a lot of helpful ways to improve your business, you know.